Now we're going to talk about understanding processes and messages in Elixir. Elixir, being built on the Erlang VM, provides a lightweight concurrency model through processes. Let's start by exploring how to spawn processes in Elixir. In Elixir, we can spawn a new process using the spawn one function. In this example, we spawn a new process that executes an anonymous function. Inside the function, we use the ioputs1 function to print a message that includes the process identifier self of the spawn process. Moving on, let's explore how to send and receive messages between processes. Or let's go ahead and do that. In Elixir, processes communicate with each other by sending and receiving messages. Here, we use the send2 function to send a message, greet Alice, to the process identified by pin. The receiving process uses the receive construct to pattern match and handle incoming messages. In this example, we match the message pattern greet name and print a greeting that includes the name. Next, let's see how to handle unexpected messages in the receiving process. In Elixir, it's important to handle unexpected messages to avoid causing errors or blocking the process. Here, we use the underscore pattern to receive block to match any message that doesn't match the previous pattern. In this example, we print a message indicating that an unexpected message was received. Lastly, let's explore the concurrent execution using multiple processes. In Elixir, processes enable lightweight concurrency, allowing multiple processes to execute concurrently. Here, we spawn two processes, PID1 and PID2, each printing a different message. We introduce a delay using process.sleep1 to allow time for both processes to execute concurrently. So that concludes our exploration of processes and messages in Elixir. We've learned how to spawn processes, send and receive messages, and leverage concurrency in Elixir. Processes and message passing provide a powerful way to achieve concurrent and fault-tolerant systems.